Yes, pero,
Malakap yun.
Mr. Chair, at least he's in restrictive custody and nandun pa rin yung bang siya ay member pa rin ng PNP, hawak pa rin siya ng PNP at anytime pwede siya patawag ng PNP at anytime pwede siyang imbestigahan o tanungin ng PNP to get more information from him, right? Kasi versus pag wala siya sa PNP, wala na kayong pakialam sa kanya. Kung siya po ay nasa custody pa rin ng PNP, restrictive man o hindi, at least may karapatan kayong ipatawag siya, tanungin siya at any time you want to gather more evidence. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor, if I may. Kung hindi ko po dinismiss si Major De Castro, I will be remiss of my job.
I know that, General. Ang sinasabi ko lamang po, dininay niya di ba? Sabi niya, wala akong affairs dyan. Okay, so wala kang illicit affair dyan sa victim. Continue investigation, him being a suspect or parallel investigation gawin nyo. Ang nangyari po kasi, General, ang kinakasama ko lang ng loob, ngayon, na-dismiss na siya. Since dismissed na siya sa serbisyo, sabi nyo kanina, tinanong kayo ni Senator Tolentino, nagtago na. Di ba, sir? Nagtago na siya. Alam niyo ba kung nasaan siya?
Your Honor, hindi naman po nagtago. Actually, kausapan namin kagabi until
O sabi niyo at large?
2 a.m. At large po sa...
Technically, sir, he is not in our custody.
Okay, so he's not arrested. So alam niyo po
So as far as this committee is concerned, hindi pa siya at large. Dahil nagko-communicate pa siya May letter pa siya Your Honors, I humbly apologize for inability to go to your committee, honorable committee's invitation. Yes, signed, Police Major Alan De Castro. Meron pa siyang representing law office, Benitez Law, Ferdinand Benitez. So, kaya pa siya makontak to si lawyer.
Your Honor, actually kausapan namin siya kagabi. And,
so, andyan pa pala, andyan pa.
He was about to join the proceeding. However, he was prevented by his lawyer. So, ang i-request sana namin to this honorable body is to issue a subpoena para mapilitang pumunta rito sa hearing, Your Honor.
Hindi mo na kailangan i-request yan. Nasa isip niya ni Senator Tulfo. Tumatik yan ngayon before this hearing ends.
Kasi ang pagkakalam, Mr. Chair.
I will make the motion.
Thank you. Akala ko kasi, Mr. Chair, nung sinabi niya at large, hindi na makita. Usually kasi ang pagkakaintindi ko, pag sinabing he's at large, the suspect is at large, nowhere can he be found. We don't know his whereabouts. So nandiyan pa pala. Okay, so kung nandiyan pa, very good. Okay? Now, ang tanong ko po, ano po yung ginagawa nyo ngayon sa PNP as far as investigation is concerned para madiin po siya? Kasi very clear na sa atin lahat dito ngayon na siya talaga ang suspect. Siya talaga ang primary suspect. At kasama itong kanyang driver.
Sir, on the part of the CIDG, sir, we're still looking for witnesses. We have leads, no, as to possible whereabouts or saan dinala si Catherine. It's just very hard to substantiate into evidence form those information provided to us because later on, sir, we'll be facing legal battle and there should be somebody or any evidence for that matter to link De Castro, especially sa yung info gap natin as to the whereabout of the body of Miss Catherine Cameron.
Anyway, hindi pa naman murder ang kinaso nyo, di ba? Serious illegal detention.
Yes, sir. Kidnapping.
So it does not require the body of the crime.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So i-establish lang ninyo yung serious illegal detention. Okay na.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, in compliance to the Department Order DOJ DC-20, we have a collaboration with the prosecutors before the filing. And that was agreed between CIDG, Pro-4A, and the DOJ, sir, for the initial filing of kidnapping and serious illegal detention under Article 267 of RPC.
Mr. Chair, niyaya niyo ho ba yung driver niya na maging state witness? Did you offer that to the driver?
Yes, sir. When he voluntarily surrendered with Balayan PNP, we immediately send our investigators, CIDG investigators, to the station. Upon advice of the council, he only provided our investigator as to his personal circumstances. But on matters relating to the case, he refused to answer, Mr. Chair.
I know, he refused to answer. Of course, karapatan niya po yun. Ang tanong ko po, in-offer niyo ba sa kanya na, o sige, pag naging state witness ka, wala na kami sasampang kaso sa iyo o mas magaan yung kaso mo, hindi ka magsaserve ng long term, bumaliktad ka na lang, sabi mo sa amin totoo, protektahan ka namin. Did you offer that?
Yes, sir.
Ano
We
po
offered him
naging tugon
the
niya?
benefit of the witness protection program provided
Yes.
by the government.
What did he say?
He declined,
He declined. Okay.
Mr. Chair.